Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing gaps. Strengthen linear algebra, probability, and core Python. Install Anaconda or use Venv. Create a project folder and a Jupyter notebook. Once done, run small experiments. Implement linear regression from scratch to learn the pipeline. Make sure to track train, validation, and test splits and simple metrics like accuracy or MSE. This gives immediate, practical feedback and prevents wasted time on tools before you understand core concepts. You now scale up, load a real dataset and clean it, handle missing values, categorical encoding, and normalization. Then build a baseline with scikit-learn. Once baseline exists, implement a neural model in PyTorch or TensorFlow to compare. Make sure to iterate on features and tune hyperparameters with cross-validation and grid or random search. As you proceed, log experiments, visualize results, and ask, does added complexity improve metrics enough to justify it? You finish by preparing a reproducible artifact. Serialize the model, containerize with Docker or save a requirements file, and expose a basic API for inference. Then perform thorough evaluation, calibration plots, confusion analysis, and simple robustness checks. If things go wrong, first inspect the data pipeline for leaks or preprocessing mismatches. If the problem persists, simplify the model and rerun controlled experiments to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.